Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and in this video I'll show you how to change out the air filter in your 6.7 Cummins diesel. This is a 2016 Ram 2500. It also works for the 3500, 4500 models. There's a wide year range that this will work for, but it's for the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel. Let's go. So once you got the hood popped, you're just going to reach down here. It's kind of down in the center of the grill, and you're going to have a little lever that you flip to the left, and you'll be able to pop your hood up. Right here on the passenger side, you have your air filter, the airflow box right here. You have 3 screws. It's going to be either an 8mm or a 5/16 will work also. You can also do like a Phillips or a flathead, but I'd recommend going for like an 8mm wrench, little socket wrench. And then in the back, you can see these little tabs right here. There's 4 of them. It kind of slips in, and then the front screws. So there's 3 screws, and then there's these little tabs that lock in the back. So take these out. Open it up. So now we have all 3 of these screws out. You can go ahead and open up the front of it, and you'll see in the back it's still kind of hooked. You're going to pull it, and you'll see those little 4 tabs right there. So those little fingers kind of go into, and then this is the air filter that we'll be replacing. You just pull it right out. Got kind of like a soft rubber edge to help create that seal. You can see right here how dirty that is. Got some bugs stuck in there. They say to change these things out about every 10,000 miles, maybe 15. I like to do them about every 10. And this here is what we're replacing it with. It's a Fram air filter. I'll put a link for it in the description of this video. It'll fit these 6.7 Cummins diesels. I like to replace these, like I said, every 10,000 miles. And you can see these new ones. You can see the difference here, how clean it is. So this is what the new one looks like right out of the box. Nice and clean. And this is what was in there. So again, every 10,000 miles or so, it's a quick, easy part to replace. But it's gonna help your engine breathe a lot better and maybe improve that gas mileage. And so when you're putting this thing in, it goes in just like you took it out. You're gonna lift this up here, and it kind of just fits right in there like that. There. Now we're just gonna connect those 4 tabs in the back, put this down, and secure these screws. Tighten that down, we're ready to go. So we got the old one out, got the new one in, less than 3 minutes. That's just how easy it is, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you haven't already, hit subscribe. This is definitely something you can do yourself, and you can obviously get those K&N air filters, and there's different brands. I'll put a link for this one in the description here. It's just the one that I get more often. I found that I change these more often rather than actually doing the K&N cleaning and maintenance. If you ever had a K&N air filter, they take a little bit of work, but they can be better with performance. I just like keeping a fresh air filter in there more often. It's a little bit cheaper than a K&N also, so you can do it how you want, but this is something you can definitely do yourself. So if you haven't, hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you on the next build.